Hey YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back here. Today I got the new sneakers, and this is the Nike SB Dunk Low Syracuse, ready to ship. If you want to pick up this one, you can order from on my web link pureshop.ru. All details there, and also we accept several kinds payments, and also fast shipping to all over the world. Okay, and this one is the new color of Nike SB Dunk Low. Would you like this one? Because for the color, I like it very much. For the color is very fresh, with the white and orange colors on the whole upper. Orange Nike shoes, and the toe base part, and the left lock, and the back side this part wrapped with the orange color, and the front midsole is the pure white, and also the bottom is the orange color as well. In the middle got the Nike shoes and the Nike logo on the R letter. And about the inner side, so got the same white and orange colors mixed together. And then this one got another extra shoelace is the pure white, and the orange shoes itself got the orange shoelace, plastic lace tape. And about the shoe top is the white color, is the nylon. On the top got Nike, and the Nike shoes embroidered there. R letter. In the middle got the lace lock, and the front got the holes, very regular. And check the inside. You can look inside also. It's the orange color, including this color. Shoe point got Nike. Okay, the back side of the shoe top got the test. Every details is very good. And about the shoe boots, this one is the red color, and got the white Nike shoes around the shoes. Check out. Very good. Okay, so this is the new style for Nike SB Dunk Low. What do you think is with this one? If you want to cover, please don't forget to check out our web link. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.